Hey, HighTechLegion.com. This is Skate and Eric here today to show you a power supply offered from Enermax. This is the NAXN or NAXN power supply. This lineup of power supplies offers 80 plus bronze rating. This specific one is 650 watts of total power. And the key feature of this lineup is their ERP Lot 6 capabilities, which is really it's a power saver in the sense that the ERP is basically when the motherboard goes idle, when your system goes idle, this will actually take up less than a watt of power. Okay, so first thing we'll notice outside of the box here that this is a non-modular power supply here. These are all the cables connected. Usually when you get into the lower wattages, I would say 650 and under, most of the power supplies don't come modular anyway, so it's more for, single GPU type systems, maybe with a better video card or whatnot. This does feature 82 to 88% efficiency at 20 to 100% load, so it is compliant with the 80 plus bronze rating, and also this features a nice large 12 centimeter fan on the top that is supposed to have a good intelligent RPM control for performance as well as noise. You'll notice on the front of the power supply here it is a fully mesh grill that pulls the air straight in as well as dissipates out. This is their air guard with a aerodynamic design for noisy air turbulences. This also has what they label the heat guard, which will keep, even after shutdown, the PSU fan running for 30 to 60 seconds to dissipate the rest of the heat. So even if you've been running hot for a while, you shut down the system, this will still go for a little bit just so to make sure everything cools down. Other features are safeguard features. They have OVP, UVP, SCP, OPP, and SIP protection. So basically all your power type protections are in this power supply. It is 100 and 240 VAC ready for with the active PFC for world use, outside of just the US. And then, as I mentioned before, this is ERP Lot 6 ready, so if you have a motherboard that does support that, with the high efficiency on the 5 VSB circuitry, what it'll do is when the system is in standby mode, it will run at under 1 watt. Now, one key thing to note is that for the Pci Express connectors, there are 2 connectors here with the optional 6+2, so you have the 8 if necessary, but also it is a split 12 volt rail. Both of the 12 volt rails support a max of 25 amps, which the total will only total 45 amps. So this is more so for a good powerful single card solution, not so much SLI or anything like that, as you will definitely be missing enough connectors for an SLI. Maybe with lesser cards, with lesser of a power draw, you could use some adapters and bridge off the Molexes, but this is more so for a good powerful single card type system.